Cheryl Sendon, 30 years old. I'm married. I have 4 children. The boy is 9 years old, and the girl, the 30 years old, 11 years old, and the 2 years old. Um, I, I'm 2 months here in Hong Kong. My working experience, I don't have, I have experience here in Hong Kong. Only 2 months. I work in a 6 member of the family in Heng Fa Chin. They have my employers have 3 kids, 0 month old, 4 years old, and then the 9 years old. My main duty is cooking, bring the kids in the school, and cleaning, ironing, washing, and the car washing. And my employer is stay in.
Finish?
Yes.